Life's a bitch, but it doesn't have to be. The problem is that it starts out all hunky-dory, but then someone steals your Legos and all hell breaks loose. Doesn't get any easier as you get older, just more expensive. And more serious. You got bosses, you got family members, and then there's your nephew. He's a real pain in the ass. There's a solution, and it's a simple formula. But first, donuts. Donuts. Okay, the formula. You ready? Hang on, we're not there yet. Because we got to talk about the problem. There's you and there's the world, and you're pushing against it. It ain't going to work. Earth's too big. So instead of pushing back, you got to let go. I know, easy, right? But the formula works, and it's been around since, a while. Your formula involves three things: your thoughts, your actions, and your outcome. Your thoughts are those things rattling around in your head, hopefully. Work on your thoughts, keep them clean, and no funny business. When you clean up your thoughts, they turn into actions. Every action starts with a thought. So if your thinking is right, your actions will be right too. And here's the kicker. The outcome, you got to let go of that. Just let it go. You can't control the outcome. And when you try, it just adds stress. So skip the outcome thing. Remember, life may be a bitch, but it doesn't have to be. When you have good thoughts, they lead to good actions, which lead to outcomes. Not good outcomes. Well, sometimes they're good and sometimes they're bad. But you're going to let go of all that, remember? I'm Jamie Turner. I write books, I teach at universities, and I do this YouTube shit. You like what you saw here? Subscribe, share, and click the link to get the guidebook.